Hi y'all, Bridget Bartlett here. I am the local business marketing, training, and support specialist with Builderall. Welcome to step 8 of our extended funnel challenge. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use PLR products as a lead magnet for your sales funnel. Since we're customizing our universal upsell and downsell funnel for our coaching business, we want to find a lead magnet that will attract our target audience. So let's talk about that by working backwards. The goal of this funnel is to sell private and group coaching sessions. So if you are the coach, every step before that offer should be to position yourself as someone they would actually pay for coaching from. So the lead magnet and course are a great way to introduce yourself and give them an idea of the value you can provide for them. So let's look for some PLR products that we could use as the lead magnet for our funnel. The PLR website that I like to use is idplr.com. It's free. You can purchase a lifetime license for roughly $80 at the time I'm making this video. Since we're looking for an ebook, you can go to products up here and you can search the category of the product that you're looking for. Since we are going to be giving this product away, we want to look in ebooks for giveaway rights. And there are many niches available here. So if you scroll down here, if you are in marketing or real estate or maybe even gardening, there are lots of options. You also see on the right-hand side, there are many niches where they have PLR products with an ebook and then even a video course. So if you're not positioning yourself, you could technically use these products as is. However, if you are wanting to position yourself as a coach with the purpose of private and group coaching sessions that they will need to purchase, you definitely want to brand these products as your own. So even if you choose to use this video course, you can recreate it. You can even use the slides and everything, but you want to use your own voice and your own brand and make sure that you are the authority of this whole sales funnel. Okay, so the course that I'm going to use for the sales funnel is actually the sales funnel challenge that we are working on right now. So I want my lead magnet to be something that someone would want if they are interested in growing their business with sales funnels. So there's a great option here. We're going to go ahead and download this ebook. So all we need to do is just simply click download. Let's go ahead and open up the file. And this is a zip file, so we need to click extract all to get access. And if you double click in the file, you see we have the ebook covers here available to use. We also have the ebook. So if you double click in that, you see that we have the ebook in a PDF file, but we may want to edit this file. So to do that, we can use a software called PDF Candy. This is totally free. All you need to do is click PDF to Word, add the PDF file, and then you can download as a Word document. And if you open it up, you'll see that we can now edit this file. We can add our own cover here. We can add our name anywhere we wanted to. We can add our own branding and colors and customize this any way that we chose, okay? And then you would want to just save this as a PDF. We'll go ahead and leave that as is, but we do definitely want to create a cover for our ebook that is branded to us. So to do that, I'm going to use Canva, and you can see to save time, I've already created a cover. So to make this look more professional, what I'm going to do is actually use the mock-up studio inside the Builderall back office to create a 3D image of our ebook. So let's go ahead and go to the Builderall back office, and let's go into the mock-up studio. And you'll see we have many designs here. So this is just as simple as uploading the correct image size, and then your image will be in the blue areas here. So let's look for an ebook that we can use, and here's a good one. So we'll click here. And you see that it says we need the image size to be 768 by 1024. So let's go back to Canva. And you see the image size that I have created is 768 by 1024. So we'll go ahead and upload that image into our mockup studio. And we can make some adjustments if we needed, but since this is already exactly how I want it, we'll just go ahead and click done and then see mockup. And now we have a professional 3D image of our ebook that is branded to us, okay? So let's go ahead and just download this image. And we'll close out of this. And let's go back to our back office. And let's enter our Cheetah app and start editing our lead magnet page. So we need to enter our sales funnel, and then we want to go to the first page here, because this is our registration page. You see that we have nothing on this page yet, but let's go ahead and just add another panel. So we'll go Add, Panels, and let's choose the lead magnet page here. So we have some templates that we can choose. Let's go ahead and we'll just choose this one. Now we can customize this however we wish. You see we still have our registration button here. So that is the action that we want them to take when they're entering our sales funnel. Remember, this is already set up to go to the right place. So all we need to do is move this button, okay? So we want to take this registration form out. So we'll delete. And then we want to replace with this button. If we're trying to move to the next panel, you see it just kind of hides behind that panel. We can actually change the order by clicking the Edit button here. We could go to Advanced and then move this to the top. And you see now it goes over that panel. So we just want to add this button here. Of course, we want to design it, make it look more congruent, but let's just get the function down first, okay? So we can actually delete this panel now because we know what page this is. We've already started designing. Let's go ahead and change the ebook to be our branded ebook. So we can edit the image here, go to General Settings, and let's upload the image of the ebook that we just created. And we'll select it and click Save. And now you see we have our ebook image here. Since it's on the right-hand side, we'll just go ahead and change this up a little bit. We'll move this arrow over here. We can actually rotate this around so it points the correct direction. Let's expand this just a little bit. Lots of things we can do to customize this here. We'll go ahead and change our headline here. And we could actually just keep this as is. We'll just move these things around here. We definitely want to either delete this testimonial or actually get a real testimonial. That would be the best practice. But for this purpose, we'll just go ahead and keep it as is because we have the functionality of our funnel now, okay? So we have our branded ebook cover, we have our catchy headline. We're telling them download your free digital copy today. And when they register here, you'll see that they go into our membership area to start going through the sales funnel process. So after they register here, they'll go to our confirm your email page. So let's go ahead and edit the mobile version. But before we do that, let's go ahead and click Save. And we'll go to mobile. So you can see mobile is basically already done for us. There are just a few little things that we need to do to make it look better, okay? So let's go ahead and we can left click in this box and we'll just click the down arrow just to move this button where we want it to be. And let's go ahead and we'll click on the image here and we'll make that a little bit larger. So let's go to lateral spacing and we can just drag this bar here to make that image larger. Let's go ahead and make the button a little bit smaller. So we'll click on the edit element and we will go to advanced and we can access the lateral spacing there. So we'll just bring that in a little bit. And that's all we need to do to adjust for the mobile view. So let's go back to the desktop now and then save. And of course, we want to keep working on this. We may want to add, definitely some more copy here just to make it sound more appealing. Maybe we want to throw in some statistics here to say how successful sales funnels are, more information to entice them into the offer. So now that I've showed you how to find and customize PLR products for your coaching sales funnel, and we've created our lead magnet registration page, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create your email confirmation page to encourage a high opt-in rate, even if you're using a double opt-in. So until then, go build it with Builderall.